And it's time now for our daily Need to Know feature, where our team of experts are ready to answer all your money, business and economics questions. Do send those to moneyline@enca.com. And on to tonight's question then, which is from Mark, who wanted to know what documentation one needs to prove ownership of a property. Head of Legal, Risk and Compliance at FNB, Wendy Zulu, took some time to answer this for us.
The documentation that you would need to prove ownership of property is what is called a title deed. A title deed is proof of ownership. So it's a document that is issued by the deeds office, endorsing and showing proof that you do own the property. So when a property transaction is being done, a conveyancer will be appointed by the seller to transfer title, that is ownership title, from the seller to the purchaser. And once that title is registered, and registration means that the registrar of deeds has endorsed and signed the title, then transfer is given over and your title is registered in the deeds register. So there is a register of title.
Let's take a look at the markets now, starting in the United States, where markets advanced after a two-day drop in the S&P 500 index. The market also got a boost from the start of the corporate earnings season. Over in Europe, markets ended firmer, rebounding after an early wobble, which was sparked by a fresh plunge in the price of oil. Hopes that the ECB will soon deliver a program of large-scale asset purchases have helped to limit declines in equity markets. Here at home, the JSE ended the day firmer on widespread gains, led by platinum shares, as optimism increased that lower oil prices will boost global growth this year. Amplats added 5%, while Impala Platinum gained 3.9%. Looking at commodities, Brent continued its downward march today, falling more than 8% during trade earlier. Gold rose to its highest level since October on that lower oil price. On the currency markets, the rand steady against the dollar as positive Chinese trade figures released earlier in the day continued to underpin support for some risk assets. And that's it for today's edition of ENCA Moneyline. To remember, you can send us your comments and questions via email on moneyline@enca.com. Tweet us using the handle @ENCA News by hashtagging ENCA Moneyline. Till tomorrow night. Bye-bye.